Guys, ito yung Bata Lodge sa Kongeparken. This is our place, Fem B, and then there are the stairs. So I will just show you. We have a nice view. So I will show you inside what we have. So it's like a forest. And this one, pwedeng umupo dito sa gabi. And then this is our entrance. Dito tayo papasok. Yan. So meron siyang 2 rooms. This is for our princess. This is her room. And then this is our room, me and hubby. This one. And then a kitchen. This is her kitchen with and then this one, meron silang pa-free na ice cream. Yan. And then meron din silang ito. Yan. And then meron sila nito. We'll see. Welcome to Bata Lodge. Ayan. And then meron silang pa-freebies na Charlie hat. Like lollipop. Yan. And then meron silang free coffee. Yan. Free coffee. And then meron silang microwave. And then ayan. And then they have wait lang, because it's too hot. And then this is the toilet and the shower. And the kitchen or the table, dining table. And we have here the couch. Someone is relaxing there. And see the view, guys. The view is very nice. See? So this is our place. Later ako ay maglalaro din doon. Ayun, yun. Lalaroin ko rin mamaya. So, ayan muna guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.